In this video, I'll show you how to unblock a blocked number on Android phone in 2026. Follow these two quick and easy methods to restore calls and text messages in just a few taps. Method 1. Using the phone app settings. This is the easiest and most reliable method because it lets you view your complete list of blocked numbers in one place. Start by opening the phone app on your Android device. Next, tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for Blocked Numbers or Block Numbers and tap on it. You'll now see a list of every phone number you've blocked. Scroll through the list until you find the number you want to unblock. Once you found it, tap the Remove, Unblock or the red minus icon next to the number. A confirmation message may appear depending on your device. Confirm your choice if prompted. That's it. The number has now been removed from your blocked list, and that person can once again call and text your phone. Method 2. Unblock from the recent calls log. If the blocked number recently attempted to contact you, you can unblock it directly from your call history without opening the blocked numbers list. Open the phone app and tap the Recents or Call History tab. Find the blocked number or contact you want to restore and tap on it. Next, tap the Details or Information eye icon. Depending on your Android device, tap the More menu, three dots, or look for an Unblock option at the bottom of the screen. Select Unblock or Unblock Contact, then confirm if required. The contact is now successfully unblocked and can reach you again through normal phone calls and text messages. If you don't see these exact options, don't worry. Different Android manufacturers use slightly different menu names, but the overall steps are very similar. That's how you unblock a blocked number on Android. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.